Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi guys, we are from Software Engineering Class 8. We will present chapter 3 Software in Process and I will introduce my team. My name is Anissa Oceania.
My name is Dimas Nukrianto.
My name is Walrozi Pamungkas.
Enjoy the presentation. Next slide. 3.1 Software Engineering Recruitment Analysis. Recruitment analysis is a software engineering activities from the problem solving process. This process breaks down a system into this component with the aim of studying how will this component of app interact to achieve the goal set. Analysis is an important part of software engineering process because all of advanced process will depend heavily on the result of the analysis. There is one important part that is usually carried out in the analysis, namely business process modeling. The process model is a model that focuses on all process in the system that transform from data into information. The process model also shows the flow of data into and out of a process. Usually, this model is described in the flow in form of a data flow diagram. DFD presents an overflowing human process and produce you to transform data into information. Next slide. DFD describes the flow of data from an information system to a system and use scheme logically without considering the physical environment where the data location. External first entity. External entity is an entity outside the system that interact with system to be developed. This internal entity can be in the form of a person, organization, or other system. Example of this external entity are customer, student, foundation, and so on. Next slide. To process in an activity work carried out by a person or computer machine where the incoming data flow is then transformed out or data flow out. Some of the process description are incorrect. Next slide. Data flow. Data flow is flow of data that enters and leaves a process and is symbolized by a row. The data stream can take the following form. From our document by the company system generate print report out of computer screen insert for computer script communication letter or memo. Data read or recorded in the live and read and is recorded in the agenda book transmission of data from one computer to another. Next slide. There are three possibilities in packet of data. Would to data flow from the same source to the same destination must be considered as a single data stream. Divergent data flow. If from a source data flow that spread to different destinations, it shows that the data stream is a copy of the data stream. Overhanging data flow. Data flowing from different sources toward the same goal. Next slide. 3.2 Model in the software engineering process. Generic process model. Broadly speaking, In the process model discussed in the chapter first is a general process model which has five framework activity and support by a number of supporting activities. Basically, the process of software engineering can be process flow, each of which has a different sequence of work activity adjust according to the scope of the project. Next slide. In the software process, there are several things that need to be considered well. First, defining the activities in the work. This definition is carried out to be able to determine action in accordance with the activities framework, accordance with the problem to be resolved, and to determine the characteristic of the people who run and the stakeholders who will finance the project. Second, identifying the set of job defining the job that must be complete to meet center's goal of a software engineering action. Third, describing process pattern describing as a process which, which were encountered during software engineering work. This process pattern providing template for solving a problem so that the software team can solve problem and from process that best suit the needs the being worked on. Process assessment and environment the software process can be assessed to ensure that software meet a number essential basic process standards. Next slide. Okay, the next person is Farul Pamungkas.
Okay, thank you Anissa Ochenia. 3.3. Perspective process model. Number one, waterfall model. Waterfall or classic life cycle. Classic life cycle. According to Rosa, this waterfall model provides a sequential approach to the software life flow starting from the analysis, design, coding, testing, and support stage. This waterfall model can be described as follows. Incremental process model. Incremental model or called the incremental model combine process flow element from the generic model, namely linear process flow and parallel process flow. Each linear sequence produces an additional portion of the software in a similar way to the increment produced by an evolutionary process flow. Third, evolutionary process model. An evolutionary process model is a software process model designed to accommodate a software product that changes slowly over time. This evolutionary process model is used to answer the challenge of changing software requirements that are increasingly complex. This evolutionary process model is iterative, characterized in a form that allows software developers to develop their product more and more complex in subsequent versions. This evolutionary process model is divided into several approach paradigms, namely prototyping model. The advantage of the prototype model. This method significantly reduces the risk of failure, as potential risk can be identified at an early stage and moderation steps can be taken quickly. Communication between the software development team and clients makes for a very good and conducive environment during the project. This assists in needs gathering and needs analysis when there is a lack of requirements document. Disadvantage of prototype model. Prototyping is usually done at the developer's expense, so it should be done using minimal resource if the organization development costs are too high. Too much client involvement is not always preferred by software developers. Too much modification might not be good for the project, as it can easily interfere with the workflow of the entire software development team. 3.4 Spiral Model. The spiral model is an evolutionary software process model that combines an interactive prototyping approach with the systematic and controlled aspect found in the waterfall model. Using a spiral model, the software is developed following an evolutionary product launch. During the early stage, the launch software product may be a model or prototype. Oke, next Dimas Mufrianto.
Okay. Uh, Advantage of the spiral model. The high amount of risk analysis. The report avoids the possibility of risk natural being reduced. This model is great for large and important projects. In the spiral model, additional function can be added at a later date. It is more suitable for high-risk projects, where business needs might differ over time. Disadvantage of spiral model. This is currently an expensive model to us in terms of deployment. The overall success of the project depends on the risk analysis phase, so failure in this phase can make the whole project. It is not suitable for long-risk projects. The big risk of this methodology is that it can continue indefinitely and never finish. Next, 3.5 Concurrence Model. Concurrence software deployment model, enabling the software team to ask elements that are iterative and concurrent on run concurrently in each process model. Picture 3.551. Concurrent process model activity. Concurrent models are often more appropriate for system engineering projects, where different engineering teams are involved. The concurrent model is referenced by a schema as a series of framework activities, software engineering action, and all the text of a schedule. Activities are carried out simultaneously. Each process has several work triggers from the activity. Triggers can come from the beginning of the work process or from other triggers because each trigger will be interconnected. This model is described schematically with an activity modeling diagram as a series of main technicalities, text and relationship between parts. Next, 3.6 text in an integrated process. The steps of the integrated process are as follows. Project expression 1. Inception. From the integrated process describes communication with customer and all the process planning activities. By collaborating with stakeholders, business specification for the software can be interpreted and outlined. Architecture for the system can be proposed and a plan for interactive and incremental phases associated with the project is developed. The basic business specifications are explained through a number of initial cases which describe its features and functions for its main class, the user wants. 2. Elaboration. Async communication and modeling activities belonging to the generic process model. The elaboration stage is as to refine and develop the intellectual case development at the introduction stage and develop architectural representation by involving 5 different points of view a software design, namely the ask-case model, the requirement specification model, the design model, the implementation model, and the component deployment model. Next, tree construction. On the integrated process method is essential to the serviceability demand for the generic software process. At this construction stage, the software development team will develop software components that will make it as change differential for each end user. In order to perform well, the requirement specification and design model obtained and the elaboration stage are equipped to replace the latest version of the software which is basically incrementally developed. Are features and functions that are important and required for the product are implemented in the form of codes in the object-oriented programming. The that is a and transition stake in an integrated process in the delivery on component and feedback. The software is submit to the end user for beta testing and to get feedback from user on matter relating to program defects and required change. Next, and production. At this stage, the software is monitored. Support for different operational access or infrastructure is perfect, and reports on program defects and requests for change are sent and effort. It should be noted that not all work identified for an integrated process. Workflow has to be done in every software project. The software then will adapt process according to the needs of specific software projects. Next, fast deployment. Rapid software engineering combine a philosophy and a set of development goals. The philosophy set in increased customer satisfaction and software delivery. Small and motivate project team. Informal methods. Minimal software engineering of product and overall simplicity of development. Development with emphasis delivering rather than analysis and design. Ongoing and active communication between the developer and the customer. Rapid development can profit business but is not always suitable for all situations. In the context of speed in software engineering, a fast team is an algorithm that is able to respond to change quick and resilient. Next, change means change in the software that are more change in the members, change due to new technology, change in all things that might have an impact on the software project being performed. The team clearly knows that it is software development by individuals working in the team. Expertise collaboration is the core to the success of the software project. Speed and progress the formation of team structures and encourages attitudes that make communication easier and more conducive. Speed emphasizes the fast delivery of the software, adopting the customer as one of the development team. Next, post-processing that includes increased software delivery to us, the user, complete with continuous unit testing will keep software development costs down. Rapid processing is a process that must be adaptable but sustainable. Adoption with slow progress cannot be expected. For that, a fast software process must adapt increasingly to be able to adapt in and expressing why. A fast team rarely needs feedback that comes from customers. Next, there are 12 principles of speed in software development. 1. The highest priority is customer satisfaction through early and sustained delivery of the software and welcoming needs that change. The first process takes and the take of change to achieve a competitive advantage and frequent delivery of software and business software and software developers must work together every day as long as the software project is implemented. Next, and with software project in the environment of motivated individuals and the most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and with the development team is face-to-face conversation. And software that is running well is the main measure of the progress of a software project. Rapid software development process supports continuous development. Next, and continuous improvement of technical excellence and good planning can increase the speed of software development and simplicity and the best software Software architectures, requirements, and design emerge from self-organizing software teams. And at regular team intervals, the software team reflects on how they are becoming more effective, then adjust their behavior accordingly. Next, here a repository concept in rapid deployment. Picture 3.7.1 mistakes in the rapid deployment process model. Next, picture uh, and picture based deployment. Okay, next. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you for listening to our presentation. And okay, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.